Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start inside Capcut with your footage ready, import and place the clip on the timeline now. Once done, trim the clip to the exact section you want to move across the screen. This reduces fiddling later. Make sure the timeline zoom is increased so keyframes are easy to place, because precise placement controls smooth motion. You are doing this first to lock timing. If you skip it, the motion will drift relative to cuts and beats. Now you add motion. Select the clip and open Transform. Enable position keyframes so Capcut records changes. Place the first keyframe at your start point, move the playhead forward to where movement should end, then drag the clip on screen to set a second keyframe. This creates the motion path. Once you have 2 points, adjust easing to make movement feel natural, and if desired, tweak scale or rotation to sell the effect. Make sure to finish by refining. Use easing presets and curve handles to avoid robotic movement. Nudge keyframes by 1/10 to 2/10 of a second for timing tweaks. Once satisfied, render a preview inside Capcut and export at the intended resolution and frame rate to preserve smoothness. If the motion looks jumpy, make sure you didn't accidentally crop or resample the clip. Confirm the timeline zoom when editing, and remove overlapping effects, then reapply or rekeyframe that section. This fixes most playback issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.